Buongiorno! Panda Nation, Peter Von Panda here. If you want a car cover for your Italian sports car, you might want to check out this. Alright, so I picked up a car cover because I got to put away the Maserati for the winter. So there actually is an official car cover for the car by Maserati. It's a beautiful blue car cover with a Maserati logo on it, but that thing is like $800 for this car. Are you crazy? So I was obviously not going to do that, but what I did find was this. It is by Mozzafiato, and it is a car cover. It comes in this green packable case. It's kind of like a tie deck or something like that. So it has some handles. And what's really interesting about this, as you might be able to see here, this thing has red, white, and green colors of the Italian flag, and it's obviously not the Maserati blue, but it will certainly celebrate Italy and its Italian heritage, and was way cheaper than some of the other car covers. So let's get it on there and see what we think. I also took a little look in this bag, and what we have here is a metal cable and a lock with keys, an extra grommet, and so you could absolutely lock this sucker down so people wouldn't be able to see inside, or underneath your car, or steal the cover, or even prevent people from stealing the car. So that's kind of nice. All that's included too. Pretty impressed. All right, before I put the car cover on completely, and by the way, putting on a car cover by yourself is a little bit of a clown show. I want to show you up close and personal the materials here, because I'm actually pretty impressed right out of the gate. This definitely seems like kind of a waterproof, I don't know, a nylon maybe. It's not super thick, but it's thicker than tent material, I feel like. And as you can see there, it kind of glistens and feels a little rubberized, which is nice. You can see the stitching on there. That all seems pretty good. And then we do have a couple of pockets here, basically where your side mirrors will go in. So that'll help kind of brace it down and lock it in place. Now, I want to show you here on the front and the back, what's similar is that you also have a strap underneath. This white nylon strap goes from one side to the other side, and then we have a little plastic clip so you can kind of put this underneath the nose of the car, maybe run it underneath the car if you're kind of storing it for a while, and that's going to allow you to keep it in place while the car is sitting outside in the elements in the rain. Now, I also want to just roll it over here because what we have is a little bit of it feels like cotton ball material, but I'm sure it's some sort of like synthetic microfiber, really soft. It's kind of got a velvety felt-like feel. So you've got that against the paint of your car, and so you don't have to worry about scratching. Obviously, you don't want to put this on the ground and get stuff on it, but that's really nice that you have that material underneath too, so that you don't have, just like tarp material against your car, which you can use. I've seen people use tarp. So let's get this thing totally installed and take a look at it. All right, so I put this thing on, and I will tell you what, for not being a custom car cover, this thing fits really well. It goes all the way around the bottom corner here, so that's locked on pretty securely. I could use the strap to clip it down. We also have some grommets on the side, so if you wanted to run a bungee cord underneath there, you could. I've got another one up here. Even the mirrors, the mirror pockets at least, are in about the right place for this particular car. These are probably set ahead a little bit more if this were like a small compact sedan, but you can see there's a little bit of play in it, so it would probably work for that too. But the fact that they work there is great. Even the contour seam here seems to fit the car pretty well. I would think this would work fine on, any kind of typical hardtop coupe, because, they all kind of have a little bit of the same shape, especially front engine. And down here, I didn't really pull it too tight. You can see the elastic down here, but I could have pulled it down here even more so, covered up that front end, no problem. And then the white piece really goes edge to edge. The colored side pieces really only cover the vertical side. And so you've got that red, white, and green. So if you want to celebrate, Italian pride, you could certainly do that. Now, indoors, I don't think I will need to clip anything down. I don't have any wind. But obviously, if you were going to store this outside, I would clip it down, make sure nothing gets in there, make sure it's nice and tight, that you don't have critters or something crawling up there. But I like it, man. And this thing was inexpensive. It obviously will telegraph that, hey, whatever's under here should be Italian. Or I guess some other flags use red, white, and green. Could be a Mexican car too, possibly. So anyway, I like it. And it was $800 less than the official Maserati car cover. So if you want to pick this sucker up, I will put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.